it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Hi, I am Lisa, the ukulele fool, foolishly loving holiday music. Let's play this together. You only need these basic chords in order to do this song, but there are a few beyond beginner chords in this song. You have to go from a D to D7 transition, and here's how I recommend do it. You've got your D here, and then all you need to do is add your pinky on to the 3rd fret of the A string, and you've got your D7, so a 4-finger chord. Your future self will thank you for learning that. This song needs 2 different strumming patterns. Each chord in this song gets 2 beats, except for when it gets 4. But I've got that color-coded in my chord chart and in the play-along. It's just normal looking if it's a 2-beat chord, and if it's 4 beats, it's in yellow. For those 2-beat chords, I'm going to be doing a 2-beat strum. I'm going to shuffle it though. I'm going to go kind of like do, 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 be down, shuffle down, shuffle down, shuffle. Let's go over the mechanics of it. It's down, down, up, and the down is 1, 2 things. So 1 sound on 1 beat, 2 sounds on a beat. And that down up is not equal. The down has more volume and is slightly longer. And use your words. That's what I would recommend. I'm playing a G and just going like do, do, be do, do, be do, do, be do, or down, shuffle down, shuffle down, shuffle. Like that. So channel your inner Frank Sinatra, Bing Crosby, Dean Martin, any of those guys, and just get a little swing going. On the chords, they get 4 beats. I'm going to play an island strum. I like switching up my strums, and particularly those 4-beat chords happen at the end of phrases as our vocals are tapering off, giving our chance for the ukulele to do more shine, more rhythmic activity. You do not have to change up from the 2-beat strum. You can just go, oh, it's in yellow, do 2 of those 2-beat strums. Whatever works for you. I want you to have this song that you can play. Can you help me out? I sure hope so, because there's some free ways that you can do this. Hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment. You know, who's your favorite version of this? You know, I think Dean Martin did it. I think Johnny Mathis did. I think his was very different. You know, who was your favorite crooner that did this song? Thank you to all my patrons for your generous support. I really could not be doing this without it. This song has verses and a chorus. Let's just do a quick little practice session on the verses. No lyrics, keeping it slow. 1, 2, 1, 2, here we go. G and D and G, island strum, and D and D and D7, and A minor, E7, A and D and D7 and G island strum. Let's do the chorus. 1, 2, here we go. D island strum and D island strum and A7 island strum and D island strum. The D island strum and D island strum. Here come the 2 beats. 2 and A7, D and D7. Don't forget, you've got the power. YouTube has speed control. So if I'm going too fast for you, slow me down for heaven's sake. And if I'm too slow for you, well, speed me up. Our starting vocal pitch is a D. Oh, the weather, oh, the weather. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, begin. Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Oh, it doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought some chords
let us know when we finally kiss goodnight. How I hate going out in the storm, but if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. Oh, the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow when we finally kiss goodnight. How I hate going out in the storm, but if you really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. Oh, the fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, 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 let it snow.
You enjoyed playing that along with me. You know, I've spent so many snowy winters in Fairbanks, Alaska. I'm now a snowbird. I spend my winters in warmer climates. All right, I have lots of Christmas songs for you to choose with, a Christmas song playlist. I hope you can join me on some of those, and come join me on Patreon. Thanks so much for watching to the very end.